There's always the same number of cards in a deck of tarot cards. There's always the same number of suits. And in fact, our playing cards are a part of the tarot history. That's where those playing cards come from. And so each tarot card is going to have the same symbol on it for what that card is. Now, it may be interpreted differently, and there's hundreds of thousands of different themes of tarot cards out in the world now. It's quite amazing, but they're all going to have that same structure. Oracle cards, on the other hand, are a more free-flowing, organic way of connecting in with your intuition or whatever it is that you're doing it for, or meditation or whatnot. So it's the sky's the limit. Any number of cards, any number of themes, any number of shapes, messaging, all of that. I like working with both because the organics of an oracle card can be really helpful when a person is really needing to be unfettered. But there's places in the healing journey where we need structure. And so the tarot can provide the structure and the familiarity of those symbols, because these are universal symbols. The symbol of the sun, for example, every culture has a connection and relationship with the sun. So that's going to be something that everyone is going to recognize. I thought about doing a tarot deck, and then I just knew that wasn't the direction that I wanted to go in.
This is Megan's oracle cards, correct? It's not. It's something where you put someone in. I want a category, but at that point, then these cards, different cards that you've developed now, get them uniquely as a person for their situation, for their life, for their past life, future life, whatever it might be.
That's right. And each card is a story. Each card is a story of what I was going through in the moment that I saw that heart, and why that heart was important to me, and why I took a picture of it, So each one is also something I've experienced. So it's very personal. And then it's also very, I don't know what's the right word, worldly, because we all have similar experiences. We just go through them differently. Right. And the idea is that you use these cards as a meditation tool, or as a way to connect to your higher self, or your spirit guides or angels, or whatever you believe is around you, or just simply asking, what does my heart need today? Right. And then if you ask that question, so for example, I'm just shuffling the cards. I'm not a card shark. I just do it like this.
Sure, you're not, Megan.
No, I'm really not. If I try to shuffle a deck of cards, they're going to fly all over the place.
I don't know. I mean, I have no idea.
So in asking the question, what does my heart need today? This is the card that was pulled. And what this is a log in my fireplace. And I looked up at the fire, and there was this log shaped like a heart. It was so beautiful. And the message on the back of the card says, fire invokes images of nights and days of passion, of the complete joy in your body and soul, united within the body and soul of another, of all your needs being exceeded, pushed to your limits in physical craving. Challenge what you think is possible in passion. So when you receive that message, there's lots of different ways that you can work with it. It could be that you just need to really ignite your sex life, right? You've got to try something new, or whatever it is. Connect with yourself in some way that's sensual, or bring sensuality into your life, or bring passion into your life. What are you passionate about that you aren't following, right? And so there's lots of different ways that you work with it. And then you just take that message into your day and see what shows up for you. That's one of the simplest ways to work with the oracle cards. And then there's more in-depth, complex ways. There's different spreads that you can work with. But I find that just that one card pull is often enough. It's like that hit.
Do you pull it once a day then, or how often do you pull the cards?
It depends on it depends on what's going on. I mean, right now, everything is going great. I'm in good health. Things are happening around me. My work is reaching a lot of people, which has always been my goal. So I'm not pulling a card every day. But let's say I wanted to know, is this in my heart's highest good to take on another project? And the card I pulled